Welcome to my channel. In a previous video you will find here I was showing these mounts I've designed for the control box of the Creality 10-watt laser module. We have this first one, you just slide in the frame on the left or on the right, and we have this second one, you put on the hook here and you screw the hook at the front of the printer. But I've noticed that both types cannot fit the Ender-3 one because it has no slots on the sides. So I have decided to design this new one here, and that will be maintained in place by screws and T-nuts. You will put just at the bottom here. We have two slots here at the bottom, and that's where we're going to put the T-nuts. Just two screws are enough. Now I insert the T-nuts in the slot here, and I can tighten. There it is strongly kept in place. And there it is. Now we have our mount installed on the Ender-3 one. You'll find a link to download the new version in the description below. So please like and share the video, and also subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for the video. Thank you very much.